Hello, audience. In our nature article this month, we talk about making deep noises. Oregon scientists hear all sorts of sounds in one of the ocean's deepest spots. Now, Amanda, what do you feel like are some of the advantages of exploring our oceans?
Well, I think it's just territory that we don't know a lot about.
Right.
And, we've covered the land mass and we've learned a lot about that, but we've still got a lot to learn about what is in the ocean, what resources are available, what kind of life is in there, those kinds of things.
Right. I feel like some of the advantages that could be pulled from this research is maybe we can meet like new creatures or new plants. Maybe we can extract some kind of new cure for something. Now, Amanda, what did you learn from this article?
Well, I think what I learned from this article is that there's a lot to be learned from going deeper into the ocean, and there's surprises in store down there, but things that can help us be preventative in the future, whether it has to do with earthquakes or whether it has to do with, like you mentioned, different creatures providing a cure for something, or even inspiration for future fashion or ideas like that even.
Oh, I never thought about it like that. That's awesome. Now, viewers, I hope you can check out our nature article this month so you can learn more about our Earth.